So the next question is with respect to the citizen charter, right? Explain the basic principles of citizen charter and bring out its importance, right? So basic principles of citizen charter movement, you have to explain the basic principles of citizen charter movement and bring out its importance. So first दो लाइनों में you have to explain a brief history with respect to the John Mayer in 1991 to John Blair in 1998, who were the main pioneer in the implementation of citizen charter. And with that you need to also explain what is the citizen charter. It is a basic document which explains the services which a government institute is providing, what all services it is providing, what all are the grievance redressal mechanism, who all are the contact persons, and what all are the various charges of the services being provided by that institute. So all these things are provided in that citizen charter. So you can make a simple citizen charter of Delhi Police, like you can write Delhi Police, and then there are certain objectives, then the services which are being provided by Delhi Police, like with respect to the women, with respect to the minorities, and it go for FIR, then it is also helping for the Yuva section, it is also helping a special cell for the elderly, right? All these are the services. Then there are contacting officers, the phone numbers of the DCPs, ACPs, Joint Commissioner of Police. Then there is also a column with respect to the expectation to public, like what is expected from the public. So this is a simple document which you also can access from the Delhi Police website, right? So if you are making such kind of documents or you are quoting such kind of things, it gives practical touch to your answer, right? So this will make your answer different, right? So first is the factual things, like with respect to the John Mayer and Tony Blair, and then the document of Delhi Police, the citizen charter of Delhi Police. Then comes the main principles which the question has asked. You can make a simple diagram with respect to this, the quality of the standards of the services being provided, then accountability, who is accountable for the services, like just like I mentioned the phone numbers, and then the choice, then the citizen is provided a choice, what are the alternatives available with respect to that service. Then the value for money, what are the charges they are taking, so, and also there is a component of transparency. So this is the basic principles of this citizen charter movement, right? And the second thing is its importance. So importance is all that transparency, accountability, participation of public, then it will help in reforming and it will empower the citizens, right? So it will help in bottom up planning, right? So it will strengthen the social contract, right? So all these keywords you can use, and in the end you can also mention about the e-citizen charter which is being talked about, right? And you can mention that it helps in balancing the privileges with respect to the principles, right? The government officers have certain privileges and certain principles, like they have to provide certain services, but there is certain misuse which can be avoided with respect to these citizen charters, right? You can give an example of Sevattam model, right? In this Sevattam model there is citizen charter which provides information to the citizens that what all services are available with that organization. If that services are not available, then the citizen can go for grievance redressal mechanism. So after the grievance redressal mechanism that is heard, and there is resource building or the quality check, right? After that the institute is reformed, and then again the citizen charter, grievance redressal mechanism. So this is in this way the cycle is moved and the quality of that institute is improved, right? So this Sevattam model is used in various kinds of government institutes, right? And you can mention with respect to in the end, just like I told you, that balancing the principles and the privileges, you can mention the quote of Dwight D. Eisenhower, that a person who values privileges more than the principles loses both, right? So this citizen charter will be helping in maintaining the spirit of democracy, the spirit of social contract, maintaining the basic spirit with which the bureaucracy came out, right? So in this way you can end your answer, right? So this is with respect to this question number